In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove emojis from videos in CapCut. If you've got an emoji or sticker sitting on top of your footage and you just want it gone, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it cleanly and confidently. First, look for the emoji in your preview monitor or along your timeline. In CapCut, emojis are treated as stickers, which means they're separate from your actual video clip. That's great news because it makes removing them straightforward. Move your playhead to a spot where the emoji is clearly visible, then click the emoji sticker directly in the preview monitor. You should see a bounding box or outline appear, confirming it's selected. If you click and the outline appears around your whole clip instead, that means you grabbed the video by accident. Simply click again on the emoji itself until the sticker is highlighted. With the sticker selected, you have two simple ways to remove it. The first is to press delete on your keyboard. That instantly removes the emoji from your project. The second option is to use the small X that appears on the sticker in the preview monitor when it's selected. Click that X and the sticker disappears. Both methods do the same thing, so choose whichever feels more natural to you. If you have more than one emoji in the project, repeat the same process wherever you see them. Scrub through your timeline and pause whenever an emoji shows up. Click to select it in the monitor, then press delete or click the X. A quick tip here. If the emoji is short and you're having trouble selecting it precisely in the timeline, zoom in on the timeline for better accuracy, or select it in the preview monitor where it's usually easier to grab. Another helpful tip, if you remove the wrong element by mistake, don't worry, use undo to bring it back immediately and try again, making sure the sticker is the item outlined before you delete. You'll know you've selected the correct layer when only the emoji shows the selection handles in the preview. Keep in mind, this tutorial covers removing stickers that were added inside CapCut. If the emoji is baked into the original video footage itself, it won't be a separate sticker and won't show a selection box. In that case, the delete and X options won't apply. That's all there is to it. Click the emoji sticker to select it, then remove it with delete or the X in the preview monitor. Follow those steps anywhere the emoji appears and your video will be clear and distraction-free.